Hi, I'm Francesca Messina. I'm an interior designer and I'm the owner and founder of Dyphor New York. Today I'm going to show you around my home here in Stuyvesant Heights, New York. To call this place eclectic would be an understatement. It's a true authentic reflection of my style and I'm excited to show you. Let's have a look. When you first enter the home, you have this foyer. It's a small space, so I really wanted to represent what you would find throughout the home. I love vintage finds, and I found this vintage card table in Indonesia, Moroccan mirror. It really guarantees you'll look beautiful when you walk out the door. My foyer definitely sets the stage for the drama that awaits. So we named the store Dyphor because I truly do believe in a world today when people are trying to edit their home, you really shouldn't invest in a piece unless it is to die for. So I sourced merchandise from all over the world, primarily Indonesia and Morocco, and I found that I really couldn't find what I wanted out there in the general markets, so I started designing my own collection. So when I was designing the space, I wanted to go with a monochromatic palette. So I started off with the orange sofa and then designed this beautiful Moroccan rug. All of the tones in here are kind of dark and moody. I really wanted to create a warm vibe. And with the white walls, it allows the furniture to really pop. You can see here there was this niche and I wasn't really sure what to do with it. So this was an opportunity to have a moment and to feature some of my favorite pieces. And this console here is one of them, designed by us. So this piece here that I designed, it has a lot of personality and it suits this space. I love the pop of leather. It not only has sexy legs, it's super bold, just like me. I consider the dining room and the kitchen as one space. When I was designing this space, I really wanted it to feel different than the living room. I wanted it to be subtle. So I painted the walls a light gray blue that pulls from the vein of the marble. This is a vintage marble table that I fell in love with. It's oval and it's really great for the space because it is a narrow home, and so this allows many people to gather without feeling bulky. So the sofa is unique. This is a vintage fabric that I selected in Morocco. Really comfortable. And the chairs are made in Indonesia. They're a classic design that we sell and we love them because they're not too bulky as well. We use this large basket lamp over the table to anchor the space. In the kitchen, we use this super durable Moroccan rug. I selected a bold print, and you guessed it, designed by us. Shall we go upstairs? This is my bedroom. I look forward to coming into this room every day to relax, unwind in my beautiful silk bedding. I love the monochromatic palette. It feels really warm and sexy. Once again, you'll see a mix of vintage and the things that I designed. For example, we designed this bed and the headboard inspired the color of the walls. One of my favorite pieces is this ceramic lamp. It feels very current and modern. And I layered the bed with a bunch of tossed pillows, because you know you can never have enough pillows. And this is where we find our sexy, in this sexy marshmallow chair, in the infamous boucle fabric. I love this chair, it's so comfortable, and it just creates a little bit of artistic interest to the room. Overall, I wanted this room to feel serene and dramatic. So that's it. This is my home. I hope you enjoyed. A home truly is a space that should reflect your personal style. Until next time.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?